Hi, my name is Nazana Mitrasi. My maths number is CE1023X. So I will start this presentation for assignment activator from group 9. So the specification of the activator that we get is mid-gain 22 dB, low cutoff which is FL 15 kHz, high cutoff which is FH is 100 kHz. So these are the talking points that I will explain. So I will start with introduction. Active are the electronic circuit which consists of active elements like op-amps, passive elements like resistor and capacitor. There are many types of filter such as low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, and band stop filter. Band pass filter is a combination of low pass filter and high pass filter. A band pass filter is a device that allows frequencies within its specific range and reject frequency outside the range, which is used to isolate or filter out certain frequencies that lie within a particular band or range of frequency. It also has a cascaded configuration between the low pass filter circuit and the high pass filter. Okay, here is the block diagram of band pass filter, which have two type cutoff frequency range, which is low cutoff and high cutoff. Okay, the next slide, discussion of importance of active filter in electronic system. Amplifiers are used in filter for design to enhance the predictability and performance. In future, the various type of anti-filters will have a much wider capacity and will signify the future technology that it has at the present. And active filter utilize an operational amplifier along with various electronic components. Op-amps are used to allow easily to make many types of anti-filter. Moreover, anti-filter are used in communication system for reducing noise to isolate a communication of signal from various channels to improve the unique precision signal from a modulated signal. These are various kind of filter available, but most of the application can be resolved with the implementation. First, butterworth filter. Implementation of this filter guarantees a flat response in the passband and ample roll-off. Second, shear-by-shear filter. This filter not suitable use in audio system because it has a lot steeper roll-off but has ripple in the passband. Third, Bessel filter. An ideal phase characteristic with about linear phase response up to a most cut-off frequency. Fourth, elliptical filter. This filter has roll-off of every filter in conversion region, but it has both the regions of stop band and pass band. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurnishaira binti Abu Bakar and my metric number is CE102222. I will discuss about theory of the circuit. In this assignment, we use 4 ohm amplifier to make the circuit as 4th order band pass active filter. In the band pass filter, we have a low pass and a high pass filter. A high pass filter is an electrical filter that allows signals with frequencies above a specified cut-off frequency to pass while attenuating sounds with frequencies below the cut-off frequency. Next, in this part, we also discuss about calculation based on the theory. Firstly, we determine the damping. we calculate the damping factor on the low pass and high pass filter. Next, we determine value of R11 and R15. In this part, we only calculate for low pass filter. Next, we determine the value of R and C, which is R is resistor and C is capacitor. And finally, we determine R3 and R7, which is this part we only calculate on high pass filter. Next, this part is about complete circuit diagram with components listed. This is the circuit diagram of our assignment. And the components that we use are resistor and capacitors. Resistors are utilized in conjunction with passive components. Low pass and high pass filter are created using these components. Act as frequency filters in circuit, allow only a specific range of frequency to pass through while blocking all other frequencies. The capacitive reactant principle governs the operation of the capacitor. A capacitor, on the other hand, is unique in that its impedance or resistance varies depending on the signal frequency that passes through it. And finally, these are reactive devices that use the formula Xc equal to 1 over 2 Fc to provide high resistance to low frequency impulses and low resistance to high frequency signals.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hamid Roslan. This is our circuit simulation from group 9. So from this circuit that we can see, the above is high pass filter and the below is low pass filter, and this one is non-inverting amplifier. So the component that we use is capacitor, resistor, OP amplifier that we use 741, and function generator, board plot. So we run this, use the interactive, we can get the output here. So we get the output from the given from the doctor is 15 kilohertz is cut off frequency, and low cut off frequency. So this one 100 kilo is high cut off frequency. So that we can see we use the AC. Next we try AC to get the two output AC sweep. We save and run to double confirm. Right, this is the simulation AC sweep. Alright, that's all. Thank you.
Finally, I will discuss about conclusion of this assignment. The major goal of this assignment was to use the program multisim to simulate a 4-order low-pass active filter and 4-order high-pass active filter and an active band-pass filter. The low-pass filter should have a break frequency of FL equal to 15 kHz. The high-pass filter should have a break frequency of FH equal to 100 kHz, and the band-pass filter should have a bandwidth of BW equal to 85 kHz. Next, discovered that the low-pass filter has a break frequency of FL equal to 15.126 kHz, and the high-pass filter has a break frequency of FH 100.335 kHz. After designing each circuit in multisim, active filter application below the megahertz range are limited due to be departure of actual ohm amplifier from idealists at high frequencies. So that's all from me, and thank you.